Hey everyone, this is Dr. Sept from Sept Incorporated. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get into the prestigious Ransom Everglades School in Coconut Grove, and it's one of the top private schools in South Florida. There are 7 major things that you need to know about applying to this program. Number 1, submit the inquiry in August. Number 2, apply online. It's available generally during September. Number 3, make sure you're prepared for your standardized test. Whether it's the lower level, middle level, or upper level, they take the SSAT and the ISEE as the required test. And also get ready for your character skills snapshot. Number 4, teacher and administrator recommendations. They'll need 3 letters, a current English teacher, math teacher, and a principal, counselor, or school administrator. Step 5, interview and writing samples. These are very important and they must be done genuinely. Number 6, final deadline is sometime in February. And number 7 is decision day and financial aid, generally in March through April. What Ransom Everglades really evaluates is the following. It's a holistic process where they take into account SSAT and ISEE scores, character skill snapshot, academic records such as current year and previous year, interview performance, writing samples, recommendation letters, and attendance and behavior history, meaning have you attended some of their open house enrollments and some of their outdoor activities for parents that are going to be interested in this program. It's really important to show face if you're really looking forward to going to that program. My name is Dr. Sept, and for the past 15 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of private school admissions, SSAT and ISEE prep, SAT prep, college prep, academic advising, and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about how your child can get into Ransom Everglades, please don't hesitate to contact us at the number or email listed below. We look forward to helping you on this journey. Thank you so much.